This week's 30-day challenge was inspired, is the best word for it, by Discovery Bay. He does unboxing videos. A lot of you do unboxing videos where you open up your latest package and you show people your comic books. However, I have a small problem. For every professional, there should be a professional tool. Here's what I generally see in your videos. It's weird, right? Like, you always get the guy that does I'm gonna open my package with my flippy knife. That's garbage. Grab some scissors, right? And you'll open your scissors and you'll put your hands on the blade and start cutting that. Come on, that's not even close to being professional. Break out some hunting survival knife and you're like, blah! Garbage. Worse yet, I actually watched one YouTuber use an AK-47 bayonet to open up his comic book packages. Yeah, I think I've used one of these before. Able to use something similar to a box cutter with a very fine razor blade edge to it. Again, not what it's for. In order to make the perfect liberating device, we have to know the material we're dealing with. We're dealing with cardboard. The problem with cardboard is it's got clay in it. So when you use small thin blades, serrated blades, or any of that other stuff you see me throwing around, it dulls the blade very, very quickly. We're gonna make a NIFFY. I know you're like, it looks like a kitchen knife. It's actually a Kudersi type knife. It's a very different type of knife. But this one is made through a process known as kume, which is where we add copper into the blade. Now this one was just made for just marking wood and stuff like that. Super sharp. Super sharp. It is cut through anything and open anything that you need. And it's really cool. With the copper in it, kind of gives it a master's look. So we're gonna make one of these and we're gonna give it to Discovery Bay because he's always, he's got like tons of packages to open and I want to streamline that process for him. Let's make it NIFFY because it's nifty, okay? Got everything pretty clean. We got our piece of, I think it's 1085. We got some copper and we got some raw steel here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shape this together and we're gonna weld it up and then we're gonna strike up the forge and we're gonna tick, 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 and get it all put together. so we just came off the drill press, and what we did is we just kind of did some half holes in it, and we put them in random places. I try not to be too specific with it. I know you saw me marking out a middle lines because I'm purposely trying to get them kind of offset from each other because I want it to be as random as some of the copper that seems to shine in it too. So what are the holes for? Well, you know me. I gotta add some glow powder to it, and I still have some Theramite from one other project, so we'll probably put a little dab of some sort of color in it, and then we'll put a piece of Theramite in it, and then we'll seal it all down so it's good and tight, and we'll leave that, of course, open. Polish it, right? We're gonna polish this thing up, get it nice and shiny. We're gonna refine that edge a little bit, although, that happened over there. It just touched it. So, sure. But yeah, we're going to refine that just a little bit more anyway, so you'll have the perfect NIFFY. So this should be good. I don't think his hands are as big as mine, so they should fit in there relatively easy. Look like Donald Blake. Now, if you're a comic book fan, if you know that one. All right, let's jewel this up. works now. So what I got here is a package. And we got our nifty and our nifty little holder. All right, here we go, real time. Let's see how fast this thing works. Point it in the right direction. All right. Oh no, there's no pull tab, so we're gonna get into it. All right, let's figure it out. Oh look, they put 2 things of tape on that side too. It's just... So yeah, that worked beautifully. So again, this project was inspired by Discovery Bay, because I know he has tons and tons and tons of boxes that he needs to open. So hopefully our little NIFFY here, this little magnetic holder, will help him out with that. All right, Discovery Bay, I'll be getting this out to you as quickly as possible. Luckily, that's not part of the 30-day challenge. All right, guys, I got nothing else. Take it easy. Bye. Oh, it's still hot. It's still hot. So when I heat this up and forge it and hit it with a hammer, hot copper doesn't fall all over my crotch and burn me to death. It's like Spider-Man's web, right? It just goes, the copper goes, and it shoots out. What happens?